Hey guys, today I'm back with these ancient Egyptian nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with a Moyu London Explorer plate and a black stamping polish. I just stamped the pharaoh, and then with a gold polish I just painted his face and his neck, and then with a shimmering blue I painted his little beard cone. Sorry, I don't know what the real name is. And then with that same blue polish I just painted his headpiece. And then with a yellow polish and I painted his chest, and then with a reddish orange polish I just painted around the outside. And on the actual nail I painted this interesting orange colour and applied a foil glue to make it sticky to stamp that decal on when it had dried. Then with a cleanup brush and acetone I just cleaned the cuticles. So back in with that Moyu London Explorer plate I just stamped this female Egyptian, and with that same blue as earlier I painted some accents on her headpiece and her neck, and then I just filled in her face with gold and a further red accent on her headpiece. And then I just painted my nail yellow, same as the other nail. I painted a foil glue to make it sticky and stamped that on my nail. Now just doing some cleanup. And then back in with that same plate I just stamped these hieroglyphics. And with that same orange I just painted one of the squares. That same red I painted one of the squares. And that shimmery blue I just painted the long rectangle down the side. And a yellow in one of the squares. And my base colour I'm just painting with my favourite gold polish. And then another foil glue and stamp that on. And some more cleanup. And finally, smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, my ancient Egyptian nails. If you like this, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. Also, I'd just like to say, because of this pandemic, I'm trying to avoid talking about it as much as I can, because I don't want to kick up my anxieties. But because I work in a pub and we've been shut down by the government, I'm home all the time. And I hope that everybody is safe and well. Please take care of yourselves and wash your hands and all that jazz. I'm sure you're fed up of hearing of it by now. However, out of this darkness means I'm going to be painting a lot more nails and taking part in a lot more challenges to occupy myself. So I probably won't be able to do a tutorial for all my designs. So if you're interested in seeing some of that, if you've not got much else to do, then please go follow my Instagram. It's Marvel_us, _, nails. Obviously, I'll put it on the display. I'll say it again, please take care of yourselves and we'll get through this time together. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!